First things first, you want to go ahead and take everything out of your freezer and take out the little middle shelf out of there, and then add some shop towels that you really don't care if you mess up or not, and not your good towels. Then place a hot boiling water inside a big huge pan and put it inside the actual freezer itself. You can see in here that it's on, and it's still going up. There's ice. Next step, you close the refrigerator door for 15 to 20 minutes. Come back in, and it's really easy just to take the ice out. See how easy I'm doing this? I'm just gently gliding my hand over the top, and I'm slightly removing the ice with my bare hands, and it's coming out so easy. Step is to take the hot boiling water out as well as the towels and glide over the top first, moving down and wipe down all the ice, all the moisture, especially off of the conduit in the back of the freezer. Keep wiping until there's none left. Keep all the ice out all the way around. Make sure it's completely dry. Keep wiping and wiping and wiping until you get all the dirt, any dust, any type of ice, any moisture out of there, putting out of every crevice of your refrigerator and your freezer. Don't be afraid to dip a clean rag into the hot boiling water and go ahead and proceed to clean it that way. You'll find it's just very useful to use shop towels versus your good, really nice towels you have in your house. Shop towels are more absorbent, they dry better, they're just complete. My favorite type of towels, I would rather use those than regular towels. Don't forget to clean the back conduit, the freezer component in the back. Don't forget to your ice section, your ice trays go, and so on and so forth. Clean it really good and all the way around. I discovered this today actually because I have a shoulder injury and I cannot lift everything or do lots of things with my shoulder because it's injured. And instead of having to get an ice pick or whatever and try to hammer it all out, this method is way easier, it's way friendlier on your shoulder. And this is a way you don't have to take the time to unplug your refrigerator or have to move your refrigerator out, have to unplug it or anything like that. You don't have to inconvenience yourself this way. And yay, I am done. That was easy.